Hey everyone, the Ministry of Finance has released a public consultation document for the corporate tax in the UAE. This will help us get a direction of where the corporate tax regime is headed. Corporate tax is the second tax system that's being implemented in the UAE after the VAT in 2018. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our future weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. So what is the public consultation document? The public consultation document gives us an idea of the proposed corporate tax regime in the UAE. Here, the Ministry of Finance is inviting the general public to give their inputs on the same. This way, the general public will be able to improve the corporate tax regime. At the same time, will also be able to have a better understanding of it. Anyone can give their input before the 19th of May 2022. This can be done by clicking on the link in the description box below. Keep in mind, this is not the final regulations. This is only a consultation document and there will be changes when the final regulations are out. What are the key principles of the corporate tax regime in the UAE? One of the main objectives of the Ministry of Finance is to implement a globally accepted business practice and great international standards, at the same time not hamper business growth in the UAE. From the consultation document, we can see that some of the key principles are flexibility and alignment with modern business practices. The tax system should be such that it can be easily adapted and updated to new business practices as and when changes arise. Number 2, certainty and simplicity. You will see this clearly in the consultation document. Simplicity reduces the compliance burden on the businesses in the UAE. Number 3, neutrality and equity. To level the business playing field, it is best to make sure that businesses in different industries are all treated equally. Finally, transparency. The corporate tax regime aims to provide clear guidance and public communication, which is important to ensure that businesses understand the obligations and the entitlements. We'll be sharing series of videos discussing in detail each aspect of the consultation document. This would include free zones, tax administration, how taxable income is calculated, and so on. We've now reached the end of our discussion. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.